Alright guys, let's look at Helix from Figure Robots. So they ask the robots to, get the items and put them away. Now, a little bit more of a technical explanation because you can watch their demo video. What we have running is one AI system is controlling both robots so that they can coordinate in a space. When you talk about this one AI system, it has two AIs that are functioning. And the most important one is a 7 billion parameter vision language model that understands your commands when you speak to it. And also, it understands what it's looking at. And of course, it needs to understand what it's looking at so that it can see where the objects are and what to deal with and how to manipulate them, put them away. The interesting thing is that this can be done with one robot, but they decided to do it with two. And so what we're seeing is that there's planning and reasoning happening that's enabling each of the robots to be efficient in its own space, but also the key thing is that there's waiting and there's handing off between the robots themselves. With all of that said, with a 7 to 8 billion parameter model, what that enables you to do is to put an AI model inside of the equipment or hardware in the robot. So this can be a completely offline, mobile, self-contained system. And so they really wanted to maximize using a small large language model, also known as a small language model informally in the AI world. And that's pretty much the main thing I wanted to explain about the Figure robots doing this demonstration, along with Figure's focus on stating that the robots can pick up any household object virtually, or practically any object. The most impressive thing is from beginning to understanding what's going on and to the end to closing the refrigerator and closing the cabinet and things and putting the container or receptacle back in its place. Those are the most fine details. So I think this is a very impressive demo, and